You're looking at an amazing church stage design from Jeremy Framstad's team at Grace Community Church based out of Fremont here in the heartland of Ohio. They came across a similar concept while checking Gutadio Sensation asterisk. Bubblesemi SB conventional on-look data from they visited got inspired to do their own twist during their Christmas services, so you could safely renovating this whole vision. First things me esto mention is that for the backdrop of design they indeed went acquire set off Koyol wholesale and picked up 3 color scheme, namely black, white issue sandy shades, all under one roll, which was simply called sheer roller. 115 individual per section rolls put neatly through space grid drop ceiling and fasten respectively by stapler at appropriate degree to create uniform look. After cutting each segment evenly via 10-foot ladder, they tried keep consistent layout right along. Sound like a maze project if you ask me, since 40 different sections did come out quite well. Don't know their official name, but some call it drapescaping or floating floor light display, although they called open geometry. Not something brand new for designers here though, because Jeremy noticed that the whole idea kind of took off not with modern LED strip hanging directly up, but instead using DMX controller technology, setting them apart from other similar stages I've seen. Cosetry individual 1-strand RGB flexible lights, so when software fires lighting program running, we get those mesmerizing displays off light. That let me talk about budget, and I will say it saves you nearly some cash, as $300 in USD spent, then only $1.77 plus other such expenses like shipping and transportation, which you can minimize. Always either way, still rocking good look on less, alright? If like this makes your heart skip beats or inspires creativity, check out links below. Oh, about that, yeah, actually, if you're a new subber, then welcome here to my world design extraordinaire. Share this stage, make sure hit green button. Thumbs don't have enough thumbs room. Now for curious folk, all credit go back to original reference material, so swing by description section down below. Once looked, browse an entire text article, learn tips, tricks, and behind the scene info, useful even for seasoned. Thanks for watching Church Stage Creations. If this was helpful or inspiring, please comment, share, and subscribe. You'll find all the design details and how to submit your own stage creations in the description below. Your support keeps us going. Keep creating inspiring spaces.